NestJS, the server-side framework built on top of Node.js and TypeScript. It's designed to provide an organized and structured way to build scalable and maintainable apps. And if you're wondering whether it's worth learning, the short answer is yes. But here are a few reasons why. One of the main reasons to learn NestJS is its support for TypeScript, the strongly typed language that adds an extra layer of safety and predictability to your code. With NestJS, you can take full advantage of TypeScript features like static typing, interfaces, and decorators. This is going to help you build more reliable and maintainable applications. Secondly, NestJS follows a modular architecture that makes it easy to break your application down into smaller, more manageable parts. This modular approach makes it easy to develop and maintain your app, even if it grows in complexity. Scalability is a key consideration for any modern application, and Nest.js provides several features that make it easier to scale your app as needed. For example, it includes support for microservices, which are used to break your application down into smaller, independently deployable components. It also has a growing and active community of developers who are contributing to the project, sharing knowledge, and providing support. This community is a valuable resource for anyone learning or using Nest, and it ensures that the framework will continue to evolve and improve over time. If you're already familiar with Angular or other modern front-end frameworks, you'll find that NestJS has a familiar syntax and structure. Because the syntax is similar to other frameworks, it's going to make it easier to get up and running and reduce the learning curve. I'd say Nest is definitely worth learning if you're interested in building scalable, maintainable, and reliable apps. Its support for TypeScript, modular architecture, scalability features, active community, and familiar syntax make it a powerful and accessible tool for modern web dev. Now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.